In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make WooCommerce faster, ensuring a smoother and more efficient shopping experience for your customers. Speed is crucial for any online store as it directly impacts user satisfaction and conversion rates. A faster store not only improves the experience for your customers, but can also enhance your search engine ranking. The first thing you want to do is to install a caching plugin. Caching is a technique that helps store copies of your web pages on your server so they can be delivered to visitors more quickly. While there are several caching plugins available, one of the best and most recommended is Lightspeed Cache. It's particularly effective if your hosting provider supports Lightspeed servers, which can significantly enhance performance. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Lightspeed Cache. It should appear in the plugin results pretty quickly. Click on Install Now and wait for it to do its thing. Once it's installed, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on that to activate the plugin. Now that you've activated Lightspeed Cache, you'll notice a new option in your dashboard menu labeled Lightspeed Cache. Click on it to head into the settings. It's crucial that you configure your settings to optimize caching for WooCommerce. Go to the Cache tab and ensure that Enable Cache is switched on. This might seem straightforward, but this step is vital as it ensures the cache is working properly. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce tab within Lightspeed Cache settings. Here, make sure options such as Cache Shop Homepage, Cache Product Pages, and Cache Category Archives are all enabled. These settings ensure that all your essential WooCommerce pages benefit from caching, speeding up delivery times for customers navigating through your store. One particular setting you should pay attention to is the ability to purge cache selectively. Since WooCommerce pages often change with new product arrivals or inventory adjustments, it's useful to set up automatic purges. This means that when you make changes to your products or categories, only the relevant caches are cleared, keeping everything else running fast. Additionally, while you're setting things up, keep a lookout for any other specific settings or options that might be unique to your particular hosting provider or store needs. Hosting environments can vary, so it's always a good idea to double-check if there are host-specific optimizations available. And that's it. By implementing these caching techniques, you'll undoubtedly notice a speed boost in your WooCommerce store, making shopping a breeze for your visitors and helping increase your potential sales. Thanks for watching, and I hope your WooCommerce site becomes significantly faster with these tips. Stay tuned for more helpful insights on optimizing your online presence.